Hello and welcome. My name is Lynn, and today I am unboxing a Spellbinders craft kit. This one is from October of 2021, and it's called You Are Stellar. So, really fantastic. This is one of the older ones that I picked up in that bundle. And it's really crazy because if you saw any of my other unboxing videos, some of those kits are fairly recent and weren't even on clearance. So it's great. It's such a great find to get them at such a fantastic price. So I like to have a little sneaky peek at the cardstock first, just to get an idea of the color palette. And we do get our basics, so your gold double-sided mirror card and white, always a nice staple to have. But then we've got some gorgeous colors here and really nice cardstock. This is solid core. I would gauge it, if I had to guess, like around an 80-pound weight, cover weight. And it's interesting. There's some really nice pastel colors and then a very dark a very dark blue, which makes sense because there's a very celestial theme, and I would have thought that we would have gotten like a sheet of black as well, but we do have in here on this card some inspiration for different cards that you can make using the contents of the kit. But then more importantly, on the back here, if you're ever at a loss for how to use the dies that come in the kit, this will show you. So we'll get a closer look at the dies in a bit. But ooh, I love this. Okay, so we have our 6x6 paper pad, and there's going to be 20 unique designs, and you'll get 2 sheets of each. These are a paperweight, and they are single-sided. But look at, oh, that's pretty. Oh, that's really nice too. This one's foiled, so there are going to be some sheets that have some spot foiling on them. Oh, the patterns are really, really great. And I love that there's a nice mix. So you've got some small repeating patterns, some larger patterns, some geometrics, some florals. So a little bit of everything. So I think that's really fantastic, and it does help when you're going to kind of mix and match too. This is a really lovely print. Really, really love that. And I like that. Oh wow, look at that. I like that even though there's like a very celestial theme to this particular kit, not everything is so heavily themed in that way, because as you can see, there's lots of florals too. So you'll find, and this has a unicorn, so you can make cards for really people of a lot of different ages, a lot of different tastes, because there's some things that are a little bit more whimsical, like the unicorn, and then some things that you can make a little bit more sophisticated or classy. So you have that. And then there's always so much in these kits, because besides your solid color cardstock and your papers here, we do get a lot of different elements that you can use to create some very gorgeous cards, but without any fancy equipment. So just a bit of glue, and really that's all you need. And in some cases you don't even need the glue, because we do have some sticker elements, and this feels rather thick, so I don't know how many sheets are in here, because I'm guessing it's going to be more. Yeah. Oh wow. Okay, I'll take this out just to show, because there's quite a few sheets. Look at that. How fun is that? So these are stickers, not chipboard, but oh wow, look at that. So you can get your sentiments from here. Some of these are foiled. You can get your focal images from here, and then look, you have all 12 of the horoscope months. So that's really fantastic. And as you saw, everything color-wise has been curated to really coordinate and match, but not everything is so, as I mentioned, ingrained in that sort of celestial theme. But obviously you're going to see a lot of those elements. So while we're at it, look at this. These are puffy stickers, it feels or looks like. So again, you've got your 12 months. That's really pretty. Then we have another way that you can get your sentiment onto your card. These are puffy stickers, kind of a really nice gold. And then love the die cut elements because you can get your sentiments from here, you can get focal images from here, you can collage up several of these and create a little scene. So really, really fantastic. I'm not going to open it, but that's always really the fun part for me of these kits, because you can really find some real gems in there, because occasionally there's just the oddball item that I just think is so fun. So then we do get our card bases. So you have 10 card bases and envelopes to match. And this kit looks like this is a little bit more of an off-white than a white card base. So so that's something a little bit different, but kind of nice. And you do get the envelopes to go with it. So straight away, you can be making some cards. And there is also included your adhesive. So you have double-sided tape on a roll and then foam adhesive if you want to add some dimension to your card. So with just what you see here, you can already be making some really, really fun cards. But if you, oh, I forgot also, look, you get some sequins as well, just for that final embellishment or touch. But once, because all of these are consumables, so once all of these are done with, there's still your stamp and die set, which are really great stash builders. So as we saw from the info card, you have, this is really cool. So you've got a set of dies that create this really lovely frame. And what's cool about it is that it's 3 separate dies, and so you have some options for how you want to mix and match these, because the largest die will just cut out that shape. The next largest die just cuts out a design as a border. So you don't have to use that if you just want it to be plain solid. If you want it to be a little bit fancier and have that little border, it's sort of a dash dot border, and so that's a separate option. But because it is a separate die plate, you could also use it by itself and just cut that pattern into your card and have that design cut into your card. So that's always an option too. And then the next largest, this is sort of like a cover plate, but a miniature version, because it does have the outside cutting edge, which matches the shape of the largest die, but then it cuts into like a star pattern into the center here. So that allows you to layer multiple colors and have an effect similar to what they've shown here. And then besides those 3, which I find to be like super useful, because you can just use those 3 as sort of the foundation for building up your focal image or a little scene, and it's just a great way to kind of or even your sentiment. It's just a great way to kind of add some extra interest. But then you get some additional dies in addition to those, and it looks like you get some stars. It looks like you get the word dies shine on. And then you also get the moon. So you can do a crescent moon or combine it with the other the other portion of the moon to do a full moon. So again, lots of options there. Love that they give you the extra bit so that you can make the full moon if you want. And then of course we do get a sentiment, which you'll find lots of really fun sentiments in the stamp set. And this one's kind of cool. Look at this. So you have two hands like this, and then it just looks like stars are they floating up or they're floating into your hands? I'm not sure, but it's really, really lovely. So, oh, I could imagine this maybe silver heat embossed or gold heat embossed. That would be really lovely. So that is this kit, which is from October of last year, so 2021, and really, really fantastic. Love everything that's in here. When I craft with this kit, I'll be sure to link to that project video at the end of this video if I can remember, but if not, it will definitely be in my Spellbinders playlist, which I will link to at the end of this video. Until next time, happy crafting and have a fantastic day. Bye.